So share the link as well so that you should be able to download it and continue the process on trying it out. Now let's explore another practical scenario. So imagine a marketing team is organizing an event and needs to gather information from attendees and then send them tickets. Can Zoho Writer assist with this process? And if so, how?
Sure, Balaji. Zoho Writer will have the ability for you to collect data from users, and you can use those data and then send out documents. So as you mentioned, I have also created a similar scenario where I'm hosting a Zoholics event, and for that, I'll be sending out forms to my customers or to my partners, asking them for the preferred stay and the email address, name, and the details, etc. So once they submit the form, I'll be saving that to my Zoho Sheet, and using that sheet, I'll be generating a ticket and sending it out to them. So let me just completely see how this flow works. So here is a sample form that I have created. As you can see, I have added various fillable fields into the fillable template. So there are single line text, check boxes, and multi-line text as well. So based on your preference, you can go ahead and create this fillable form. So in the on submission option, I have clicked on submission to sheet. So any responses that is being submitted by my customers or my clients will be saved to a Zoho Sheet. So you can see that this is the sheet name. So I'll just quickly open the Zoho Sheet so that you get a clear idea on how these responses are getting saved. This is how the content in the form once submitted gets saved. Let me just quickly access the document and also show you how it will be viewed by your customers or the partners. So you can also create various fillable templates in Writer by using various fields based on your own preference. We do also have a fillable webinar previously, so you can do check it out for any questions or clarifications required regarding fillable templates. So let me just enter my information, and you can see that I have added drop-down fields in the template so that the customer or the partners can choose the required option based on their preference. And there are also check boxes available. They can check the box or leave it unchecked based on the preference. So once these informations are filled, we can just go ahead and hit submit. So now the responses that I have added in the document will be saved to the spreadsheet that I have connected. So this is the spreadsheet that I have connected. So now you can see that this is the sample ticket that we have created in Zoho Writer. So we do have a previous webinar on how to create this entire ticket and how to use the merge operations to get your content sent out for events. So now, as you can see, I have connected this Zoholics spreadsheet where I have the informations that has been submitted by my customers and my partners. So now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to showcase you what are the fields that I have added in the document. So you can see that there are normal merge fields, and we have conditions available, and as well as we have inserted some formulas. Along with it, we have also added barcodes for in order so that the customers or the partners can just take out their mobile devices and scan the barcode for the ticket. And we have also added a event location where users will be able to scan it and check out the Google Maps for the event's location. So once this process of creating the template is completed, you can simply click on the automate tab from the left panel, and you'll be able to click on merge and send via email. So now you can see that you can give a name to your attachment, and you can dynamically pull email addresses from the merge fields that I have added in the fillable template. So the fillable template will be bringing out the email address to the Zoho Sheet, and using that as a data source, I'll be able to fetch email address and send out dynamically the event tickets to every individual who have submitted the form. Now I'm just going to click on save, and running the merge will allow you to send this ticket to your customers or the partners based on the requirement.
That was a great demonstration,